2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power sunroof, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.